Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Taurus, everything is about love. Wow. Wow. Taurus. Empress, Nine of Cups, Two of Wands, Strength. Wow. Very, very positive reading for you, Taurus. You are working on your inner strength, inner wisdom. In these recent times, you are thinking about someone or something, about your career maybe. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. And the Empress, definitely you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are taking your power back. And you will be in this energy. For some, you already in this energy. Very, very beautiful energy, the Empress. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. I think what I am getting here, you are loving yourself. You are taking control of yourself. You are controlling your emotions. When you are doing this, you are attracting love into your life. Yes. So Knight of Cups, someone already approached you. If not, they will. This person have romantic feelings for you and they really do love you. And they are coming to offer stability also. But you are working on your abundance, on your finances, financial stability. You want financial stability. Your money is very good. Present, the Lovers, Six of Wands and Page of Cups. Yes, there is love and it's mutual. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini. You are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work. And maybe one person in this connection could be a celebrity or very popular person. And Page of Cups. There is some communication, text conversation between you and your person. Future, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Wands and Ten of Wands. You are working hard towards your goals. Your total focus is on your career, what I am getting here. Yes, you are loving yourself. You are attracting love. But right now you are emotionally closed. You are total focusing on your career. You are feeling overburdened due to excess work. For some in relationship, maybe you are guarded up because you only taking care of this relationship. Yeah, that's why you're guarded up. But right now you're focusing on your money. That's why you have no time for relationship. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Nine of Wands, Page of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you guys and they are in and out of your life. Again, they will text you. And Nine of Wands. But they're scared. Maybe they have some obstacles. Right now your person may be guarded up also. But they're in and out of your life. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. But you are focusing on yourself, Taurus. Page of Cups. For some children also involved in this connection, Eight of Wands. Yes, lots of communication is coming and Ten of Cups. So this person want family with you. For some, maybe they already married, they have kids. Yes, for some, maybe you already married. Right now they're missing you. There is lot of drama is going. Here family could be the issue, trust issues. Maybe they are hiding something from you. That's why you are not giving any attention to them. So right now they are thinking about you a lot. They want to say apology to you if they did hurt you. But they are planning to communicate with you. There is a chance for lots of communication. So let's see their intentions. Taurus. Three of Swords. Yes, they are heartbroken. Four of Swords. Oh my God. For some, you are in separation. Five of Wands. Lot of drama. Seven of Swords. Two of Cups. I think this person played games with you. That's why you are not giving any attention to them. So that's now they are realizing your worth. Now they have regrets. For some, that's why they want to communicate with you. Right now they are heartbroken and then they are healing. Four of Swords energy. They are taking rest and they are doing meditation to heal their self completely. But they are thinking about you a lot. They want to communicate with you. Definitely communication is coming. But you total focusing on yourself. There are some trust issues, guys, between you and your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Sun. Yes, now they are realizing that you are their sunshine, you are their happiness. Knight of Wands. They are very, very attracted to you. Taurus. Seven of Pentacles. They are waiting on you. They are waiting for reconciliation. They are waiting for celebration. But it's totally up to you to accept or reject. For some, you have no time for this person also. Because you are fed up with their games. Because Seven of Swords. They always saying one thing, doing another things. There is no match between words and actions. That's why you are not giving any attention to them. Taurus. Yeah. In past they neglected you. They ghosted you. Now it's your turn. Maybe you decided to move on from this person. Three of Cups for some third party. Yes, for some you decided to end relationship with this person. For some you already in separation. So let's see mutual. Okay, yes, again Death card. Definitely. So it's too late for some. Yes, separation. Future also, I am seeing this connection is not going anywhere. Yes, for some this person could be manipulator, but they're trying keep positive on this connection and they want second chances, but it's totally up to you. But I am saying, yes, there is sadness, but you are not giving any chance. You don't want to give because there is no trust. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Reunion. Soulmates. This person is sneaky. See, take what resonates. I have too much going on my life. All I want is you. Please wait for me. So the messages are, please wait for me. Reunion is coming. Soulmates. This person is sneaky. All I want is you. I have too much going on my life. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus. If fiery climax approaches full moon in Aries, yes, for some there will be a reunion, for some there will be separation. A climax will approaches. And step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, So first you have to step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently. Then you will achieve whatever you want. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.